This tutorial walks you through how to accomplish two tasks. One, how to update the name and term associated with a master shell so you can begin using it. Two, how to repurpose or delete redundant master shells to better manage content in your courses. Masters are found in two different places within your Canvas account. You may find masters in your dashboard because they are set to the current academic year calendar. And you may find masters by clicking on Courses in Global Navigation, and then click All Courses. Scroll down and you find Past Enrollments. In this section, you see master shells that were created for you in previous years. Let's work with the master shell in the dashboard. To update the name, click into the shell, then click Settings. You are updating the name by removing the year. You do this because masters are accessible year to year. Having the year as part of the course name is unnecessary information. Once you have removed the year, you should copy the name and paste it into the course code field directly below the name field. Next, you update the term associated with the master. If you are updating a master shell created this year, the term more than likely will read 2017-18. The master might be attached to one of these other current calendars. Set the master to default term so it is accessible and editable year to year without having any of your access limited. Once you've updated the name, the course code, as well as the term, scroll down and click Update Course Details to save your work. The second task is to repurpose or delete additional master shells that you may find in your account. Say I have been assigned a Spanish course along with teaching French. I can repurpose one of my master shells for Spanish. Since I have not used this master shell, I can update the name from French to Spanish. I get rid of the year at the end of the name. Then I copy and paste the name into the course field below. Then I update the term to default term. Last, I click Update Course Details to save my changes. If I have a master shell that I'm not going to use, such as this one from 2016-17, I should delete it. To delete this course, I click Course Name, then Settings. On the right-hand side, click Delete this course. Follow the prompt to permanently delete the master shell. Be mindful, however, that course deletion is a permanent, unrecoverable action. If there is any content in that master shell, it will be permanently erased. After deleting the course, you are brought back to your dashboard. Here I may see my master shells. If not, I can click Courses in Global Navigation, then All Courses to see them in the list. Also, I no longer have anything listed under Past Enrollments. In fact, for my account, that category has been removed from my course lists.